Should I like be facing that? This is more helpful.
All right, tell people what you're doing.
I have no idea. Apparently tonight we're gonna be cooking on my Firebox that Brian got me. Never cooked on it before, so it's my very first time. And we're gonna be using this trangia thing. We're gonna be using some Heet, whatever that is. And we're gonna cook some, what are we cooking, Brian? We're cooking quesadillas, because we're gonna keep it simple, because it's gonna be enough for me to learn how to use this cool Firebox. So you need to direct me.
Yeah.
So put this up. I love bags. It's a shame to cook on that. So pretty. All right. Oh crap! I'm littering. Okay, so what do? We pull these little guys?
Yep, pull those out.
So easy that Angie can do it. Okay.
You're gonna pop that off. There, that back. There's a back to see this. That front. Yep, it comes off.
Well, this is like doing cricket stuff.
You made that? With Cricut, I can say, yeah, I did. Now even the napkins have a little more character. And what's a straw without a mustache? Then there's the pinwheels.
Yep, make sure it falls out.
Is it supposed to be odd shaped?
Yep. And then that's your ashtray. You can put that in there.
This way? Yeah. This way? This way? That way?
Nope.
Alright, we need some glasses for this.
You can look at the shape of the thing.
Ah, yeah.
Nope. There you go.
It felt loose, that's why.
Yeah.
There we go.
So that's your ashtray, which we're not going to need.
Oh, good.
Because
We're going to be using
the
trangia. Trangia. Alrighty. Toss that away. Hope I don't have to read all this. Warning. That's kind of cool looking. So here. What the hell do I do with this thing?
Nope. That's upside down. There you go. You screw that off. No, screw the whole lid off.
That's cool.
There you go.
Is it me or is there another lid?
That screws off.
There's another lid.
Right, that's where you put the liquid in.
How far? How do we know how far?
Just enough that you're gonna need. This right here is so when you're not done yet.
Oh shit!
So this is what you want to do. You can adjust the temperature with that, right? When you get done, you can put that on there like that. Just drop it on there, and it will
to extinguish it.
It'll snuff out the fire. Right? You're gonna use these.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them down. Just remember the
grill. No, the pan.
Pan will be sitting up here.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that.
So do they go in these ones?
It sits down.
Let's see. One more.
I will go down to the next one, where you can use these side ones.
Get out, really? But those.
No, there's probably two.
How's that?
All right, put the other one there.
I feel like I'm the magician sticking knives through the lady.
There you go.
And now I do that? This is scary.
Well, go ahead and fill that up.
Should I fill it all the way up?
Not all the way.
More?
Yeah. That's good.
Ooh, that stuff's strong.
And what we're using is Heet, the yellow bottle. The Firebox, they did a study on it, which burns better and cheaper. Denatured alcohol is what I normally use, but it comes in a big metal canister, and I didn't want to bring the whole canister, and I didn't have another little plastic bottle. So this is good for camping because it's in this little plastic bottle. So
Light. It's
anyway,
very light.
it is gas line, antifreeze, and water remover, but it's clean burning. So
All right. So
yeah, you don't need to put that on there. What you can do is just set that down in there.
okay.
Make sure it's on. No, make sure it's on. There you go.
This could be a part. Can I put some that way to catch it?
That should be good there.
Okay. Aim and flame.
Yep.
We're gonna need some pots and pans, Brian. There's
All right.
pot and more pot.
Now you're going. I wouldn't light it until you're ready to cook.
Yeah, because we gotta make the. All right. I think I'm doing this right. Nope. That does not feel right.
Go down further. Yeah, that's it.
Easy as that. Okay. And it just sits up there. That's so cool. All right. Now we make quesadillas. Brian, do I just stick the...
Yep. Go ahead and light the flame and then stick it down there.
Have you done this before?
Yep. You won't see a flame. Put your hand over it.
It's hot. Okay. So there's that. Can we put our pot on there? There's a bug just buzzing around my ear. It's making it hard to think. I'm not good as the Firebox guy.
Now I can see a flame.
What's the Firebox guy's name? He is so cool with this stuff.
I want to call him Steve. I don't know.
He's going with Steve the Firebox guy.
I want to call him Firebox Steve.
So if we're wrong, Steve, and so now I burned this tortilla and we're good to go. But I'm gonna start working on the next one while that one goes. There's a whole bunch of people out there going, we don't want to eat with her. She touches her food too much. See, Brian had this idea to use olive oil. It might have been a much better plan. Actually, because I don't trust myself. Needs a little down.
I want to take like a little stick of butter and put it underneath it or something.
That's a good idea.
Because I don't know how much that bottom
I didn't put much on
tortilla
there.
got on it.
Just gonna grab a little butter here. Chunk. I'm going all what's her name?
Butter, y'all.
I ain't got. I need like one more hand. Just one more hand here.
I think you'd be fine. Just lift it.
He's got faith. Doing all Paula Deen over here with some extra butter. Sure, I'll be fine. There. Get under there, butter.
It'll be fine, he said.
Yeah, this will be fun. Let's do this. Y'all should see inside our tent. It's so cute. I will show you in just a minute. As soon as I finish catching my dinner on fire here.
You know, I've seen in my other videos, you can actually use wood or charcoal or whatever in these Firebox stoves as well. We're just trying to keep it simple this time and using the trangia burner.
Because of me.
Because of Angie.
Because of me. Oh, y'all got to see these cute plates while we're waiting. Aren't these adorable? I know Brian probably already showed them to you, but I love these little plates. They're so pretty. This is when I start cursing. I don't think it's... The cheese is not sticking yet, so I'm afraid when I...
Well, so let's take this up a notch then.
Take it up a notch?
Get that other pan and cover it.
Oh my god, that's cool.
Like a lid.
Oh my god! That's cool. Is that a crane out here? It quit. So anybody else in the mood for a burnt quesadilla? I'm working on a couple right now. Oh, that thing's gonna be hot, isn't it?
You use that lift.
I know, but I was just about to reach up there and grab it.
Yeah.
Don't do that. How long do you think these things will take? Guess who's washing dishes tonight? Ouch. Ow! What are we gonna pick it up with? It's gonna be hot and I don't want to pick it up with this. Okay, don't put it back on my tortilla. We'll see how the rest of this video goes. Thank you, Brian. Look, it's getting all brown and pretty. There. Oh, I thought you were gonna cut them.
Oh, well.
Oh my goodness, he's gonna let me like play with knives and fire. Woohoo, it's a good day. Ooh, that one's done. That turned out cool. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter to the pan.
And everybody knows this, but here's a tip. Keep your condiments.
Yeah.
When you get extras, keep them.
When the good people at Taco Bell say to you, would you like some sauce? You always say yes.
And then they ask, how much? As many as you give me.
Because they camp well. I know we just told on ourselves that we eat at Taco Bell a lot. That's kind of... Sometimes we just have to run for the border. I know it's not healthy, but it's good.
Take a run for the border.
We should have probably done this on the cutting board.
Here you go. There you go, mate.
Let me see your spatula.
I love that cutting board. It's kind of got a cutty thing on it too, doesn't it?
And my little kid over there, I think, has got another little plastic cutting board in it.
You can have that one.
Hot quesadilla. Want
I'll
to
probably
put my hands on it?
Because I'll probably drop this one. You may fire up another one after this one?
Probably. But we'll wait.
Okay. This thing is really cooking fast now, so I better make sure I don't burn. Oh, hell yeah. Move language.
What did you say? That's what I thought you said.
This is not a children's channel anymore. Not that since I came on board. Okay. This is not the prettiest quesadilla here. This one kind of
Hot.
went all wacky.
And cheesy.
Did I put too much cheese?
It's coming off everywhere.
Yeah, there's a lot of cheese in this pan. This one got messy. Be glad you got that one because this one's all messy. It's almost done. And this is pretty much dinner. I mean, like, quesadilla. About it. Keeping it easy tonight.
Ooh.
Whoa, somebody put a chopping board. Oh, we need it, don't we? See, mine's all messy. You ready for me to cover this? You ready for me to do this? Oh, we got a problem. Houston?
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
We have a problem, Houston. Right there, man.
Yeah, it went off to the side. I've done that
That
before.
was supposed to be a surprise or a secret. It's still secret. Yeah, see, mine's all wonky looking. And I'm going to tell you, these are some greasy quesadillas because, you know, I went a little crazy with the butter, but usually we don't make them quite this greasy at home. We're showing off. Anyway, so that's dinner. We're going to head over here. Come on along with us.
Yeah, go over there and I'm going to film you tasting it.
Oh, God. It's gonna
You
be hot.
want some sauce?
Yeah, I want sauce. And a napkin because I'm telling you, these things got butter all over them.
Butter, y'all.
Where's the sauce packets?
Right there.
We already discussed that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, but take off these tomatoes, damn tomatoes, man. Yeah.
Mild. Where's the hot sauce? This
I
is
don't think there was any hot.
no, these are
This is what you and Kaylee got.
for the weenies. Alright. Y'all, I'm gonna be very messy with this, I'm not gonna lie. Why am I still eating on the cord and cutting board? That's a no bueno right there. Alright, let's go sit down. This me.
That's you.
We're gonna see if this chair can withstand me. Let's see if I cut it good enough. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that cheesy goodness right there. Ooh. Ooh, got some cheese action in there. That's very good. A little buttery, but it's very good.
Butter, y'all.
There's mine. You ready to eat?
Let me hold that for you.
Camping approved?
Yeah, it's camping approved. Definitely.
All right. We're going to eat and we'll see you later.